Egyptian amethyst. Egyptian amethyst, you see it under sunshine like diamonds. This is one of the beautiful materials of Luxor city in Upper Egypt. Now I show you another one from the north.
Hello, hi, and welcome back into a new video. If it's your first time coming across this channel, I'm Dafri Travels Kenya. I'm here to share with you the beauty of Africa. Join us on a journey to one of the most iconic landmark in the world, the Pyramid of Giza. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting. So come along with us on this unforgettable journey and discover the wonders of the Pyramid of Giza together. If you find this video interesting, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe for the channel to become a member. See you there. And the ticket costs 240 Egyptians.
Hello, welcome. My name is Islam. I work here, photographer. Anyone coming here, you need any information, you need anything, I'm here in the pyramid.
Islam.
This is my idea.
Okay. Let's get closer. Oof. You see how the population is like this place is. Let's go on and see what Egypt has to offer us. So guys, as we explore the pyramids, now I want us to go inside these chambers and see what's going on inside and how the place looks like. It's difficult, as I can see people are straining to get inside and out, but I'm going to give it a try. So here guys, we are trying to go inside the pyramid. It's not easy, they have put some stairs down. Because now we're finally inside the pyramid. Still going on. Getting inside the chamber, you have to pay extra fee from you have to pay extra amount from what you paid from the gate there. And getting inside, there was a security guy who was not allowing he was not allowing videos and photos to be taken. I don't know why, because there is nothing, it's just an empty hall. But I think it's to avoid a crowd, because it's very crowded there and it becomes very hot because of the population. Anyway guys, now let's go for a camel ride and we go around the market, because they still have a market here for those who want souvenir or something else, or to get some memory in Egypt. So from here now we're going for camel ride, and then now we go to the market.
Mountains in Luxor City, Egyptian amethyst. Egyptian amethyst, you see it under sunshine like diamonds. This is one of the beautiful materials of Luxor City in Upper Egypt. Now I show you another one from the which brought from Sinai in the north, from the same mountain which is a God spoke with Prophet Moses with. That's why we consider turquoise as a sacred stone here in Egypt. Here also you can see lapis lazuli, you can see red quartz, lunar stone, tiger stone, very nice.
خلص انت عارف انا بتكلم على مين.
لو شفت لك على كده يا حبيبي تعال.
Okay friends, if you remember, we saw this amulet in the museum, scarab, sign of eternal life, and we said it's hermaphrodite bug. This is the real baby size of the scarab bug. Like you see, it's a very, very peaceful bug, doesn't bite human, doesn't do any problems like movies. If someone wanna catch, no problem at all.
The souvenir that I thought of buying is this one here and this one for $1. I thought I'm done with souvenirs. I came across these beautiful pieces here, and I bought the 3 pieces for only $10, which I find it fair price. Thank you so much for watching, and that's all